So for our last basic skill to learn here, we're going to learn two things: how to group things in order to make a hole in it, and then also how to undo your last step. Okay, so to make a hole, we're going to start by using this cylinder here. You see that the cylinder looks the same as this, except the color is different. The color is actually makes it a hole, and if you click on it, you'll see here when you drop down, instead of a solid color like the orange, the hole is selected. This is just a shortcut for this. They are the same thing, except this one is a solid color and the other one is a hole. We're going to use this, and we're going to change the size of this. Okay, let's move this out the way here. We're going to change the size of the cylinder by clicking on the corner, and instead of a 20 by 20, we're going to do 4 by 4. Hit enter. Now we know it's a perfect circle because both the length and the width are the same. You can also stretch it if you want, but just be careful when you stretch. It might end up kind of like that, right? So if you want to stretch things evenly, you hold shift and you pull it, and then it always stays the same. Okay, so we're going to bring it back to 4, and then we're going to put it, doesn't really matter, anywhere on your design. Okay, I'm going to rotate it to look at it. You can see that underneath it's almost just about coming through. They're both touching the flat surface. Now I'm going to show you how to group these two. You're going to left click and drag so that both of the objects are selected. Now you have both the cylinder hole and the green box selected. You're going to go up here to the group, and when you hit group, what that's telling the computer to do is any object that is a hole, it's going to put a hole on any object that it is touching. So watch this. There it goes, and you see how it has put a hole all the way through. Okay, that is how that works. Now you can do a hole not just with a cylinder or a box, you can actually do it with any of these shapes. So for example, if you want to use this polygon here and you want to put this shape here, instead of having it be a solid, you're going to make it a hole. And then you're going to click and drag so both of the shapes are selected. You're going to group it, and there it is. Okay. Now let's say you mess up and you want to go back. Well, there's two easy ways to do it. If you're good with shortcuts on your keyboard, hold Control down and press Z, and that goes back. And you can go back many steps if you want. Okay. You can also, instead of using the keyboard, you could just go to this little arrow right here that undoes. And if you go too far, you can go forward and then redo it. Okay? All right, that's it for that step.